Have you ever spent hours trying to figure out why your website isn't ranking higher on Google, only to end up more confused than when you started? SEO can feel overwhelming. There are so many factors to consider, from broken links and missing meta tags to slow page speeds and keyword optimization. That's exactly why I want to share with you a tool that makes the entire process much simpler: SiteGuru. SiteGuru is an all-in-one SEO auditing platform designed for people who want actionable results without having to dig through endless technical jargon. Right now, it's available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal, which means you pay once and keep it forever. No monthly subscriptions, no hidden fees. Here's how it works. After connecting your website, SiteGuru runs a complete audit and identifies key SEO issues, things like missing or duplicate meta descriptions, broken links, indexing problems, page titles that are too long or too short, and even missing alt text for images. But unlike many SEO tools that just dump a massive list of issues in your lap, SiteGuru organizes everything into a prioritized to-do list. That way, you know exactly what to fix first to get the biggest SEO improvements in the shortest time. Another big advantage is integration with Google Analytics and Google Search Console. This allows SiteGuru to combine audit results with real traffic data, so you're not just fixing random issues, you're focusing on what actually matters for your audience and your rankings. If you're working with clients or managing a team, you'll appreciate SiteGuru's white label reporting feature. You can export clean, professional-looking reports branded with your own logo, and share them with unlimited team members or clients. This makes it perfect for digital marketing agencies, SEO consultants, or freelancers who want to look more professional without spending hours formatting reports. Let's talk pricing. On AppSumo, you can get lifetime access starting at $79 for one site with up to 500 pages. If you manage bigger sites or multiple clients, you can stack codes to cover up to 2,000 pages. Every tier includes free updates for life, plus AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. And the reviews? They're glowing. One user says, "SiteGuru simplifies everything, highly recommend." Another review reads, "As an SEO beginner, the recommendations didn't overwhelm me, it helped me improve step by step." Even experienced marketers say they use SiteGuru regularly because of how quickly it identifies the issues that matter most. So whether you're running a personal blog, an e-commerce store, or managing dozens of client websites, SiteGuru can help you improve your SEO faster and more effectively, without needing to become a full-time SEO expert. If you want to boost your rankings, fix hidden problems, and make your site more search engine friendly, check out SiteGuru on AppSumo. The lifetime deal won't be around forever, so click the link in the description and grab it before it's gone.